This could replace your entire life, your house, your routine, even where you wake up, because this is a $2 million home that can go anywhere. So today, I'm testing it. For 24 hours, I'm not leaving this vehicle. No excuses, no backup. And by the end, I have to decide, would I actually replace my life with this? Because right now, that sounds insane. This is the Newmar King Aire 2026, one of the most advanced motorhomes ever made. But here's what nobody tells you. Living in something like this is very different from visiting it. Because after a few hours, reality kicks in. And that's what we're testing. Not how it looks, but how it feels to actually live here. Okay, first impression. This is bigger than expected, way bigger. And I'm supposed to live in this? That already feels weird because it doesn't feel like a house, it feels like a machine, and that matters more than you think. Wait, from the exterior, it's easy to see how the coach slides out on both sides, and just like that, this space doubled. This is the moment where it stops being a vehicle and starts feeling like a home, and that changes everything. Okay, this is dangerous because I could get used to this very fast. Everything feels perfect. Lighting, comfort, silence. This doesn't feel temporary. This feels like I could stay here, and that's the problem. Now we test reality, food, because this is where things break. Okay, it works. Okay, too well. This feels like a real kitchen, and that's not good, because now I'm getting comfortable. Now the bedroom. This decides everything. Yeah, this is a problem. This is better than my home, and I didn't expect that at all. But here's the weird part. The more time I spend here, the less it feels exciting and more normal. And that's dangerous because this isn't a vacation anymore. This is life. So after hours inside, I realized something. This can replace your house, it can replace your comfort, it can even replace your routine. But there's one thing it can't replace: stability. Because no matter how perfect this feels, you're still moving. And that changes everything. So here's my answer. Would I replace my house with this? No. But would I want this as part of my life? Absolutely. Because this isn't a house, it's something else. And maybe that's the future. So what about you? Would you actually live in an RV like this? Drop a yes or no in the comments. Thank you so much for watching the entire video. Please subscribe to the channel to catch our next even better videos. Bye bye.